Hey everybody, this is Renaissance Man. We had a lot of wind and rain this week in Sacramento, so I'm doing a test on my new robot. So as you can see, there's a lot of leaves and branches and debris in my pool. And the problem with my pressure booster cleaner is um, the booster pump costs a lot of money. It's going to need to be replaced. And the bag only holds a small amount of debris, which fill it up very quickly. So I'm going to see how this does with a few hours of cleaning, and it uses less energy. This is my new Polaris 9550 robot. So we'll do a test and see how it does after a few hours, because there's a lot of leaves and debris, and I just want to see how it works. And then I do like how it's portable. The only thing is you can't leave it outside, so you gotta wait till it stops raining, so it doesn't get damaged. So we have this little caddy over here, which you can control it, and it plugs into a GFI outlet. Luckily, when I had this house, I had a new GFI put in. You can't use an extension cord, so just FYI, but so far the cord is long enough to reach the whole pool I have. And another cool thing is you get this cool remote control, so you can manage the robot without being at the caddy. And it has a lift system, so if you press the lift button, it will come up for you to grab it. The one thing I like about this robot is it has a much larger canister, so it can collect a lot more debris and leaves. And here I have quite a pile of leaves in my pool, just from 2 days of wind and 2 days of rain. We had 20 to 50 mile an hour winds in Sacramento all week, so it blew a lot of crap in my pool. So we'll see how it does after a few hours. And it would cost me $700-800 to put a new booster pump in, which isn't about the same price. I got this robot on sale 20% off, and it was a little more expensive, but we'll see how it does and check in. And you can see how dirty my pool is. And because it's been raining, I haven't been able to, it's been raining and storming and windy. It hasn't been safe to really be outside and doing maintenance the last few days. Cheers. Hey everybody, so I've been running this cleaner for a little while, and it's getting most of it up. Definitely a lot better job than my last time using the Polaris 280 cleaner. So you can see quite a bit of debris is done. I did have to pull it out of the water once after a couple hours and empty the canister because it was full. That's how much debris was in my pool. So you see, quite a difference. I mean, this is a marvelous cleaner. I mean, I'm looking at how much debris was in my pool. This thing's okay, but if you notice, the 280, how small the basket is. So it gets full and it stops working and sits there and uses more energy. So this is a much better solution. So you can see the pool is pretty much almost clean. It's doing a really good job. Cheers. Hey everybody, so this is how clean my pool is now after running my Polaris robot for a couple hours. I did have to change the container once. I got an error of 4 because it was full, but as soon as I emptied it, it came out pretty good. So as you can see, it got most of the debris off my pool, except for a couple small twigs and a couple leaves. But you can see how much cleaner my pool is. It's much better than it was. And we can also see how much it picked up. So we open this container, lift it up. I turned everything off. Let's see how much crap is in my pool. This will show me. Open it up. Let's see how much it did catch. Oh, this is kind of a pain to open. Let's see. Anyways, I'll show in just a minute. So as you can see, it got quite a bit of stuff. So I had to empty 2 of these. So that's how much crap was in my pool from a couple of days of wind and rain. And it's a lot cleaner now. And, the pool guy, he's really good at repairing and stuff, but he said this is better, but it doesn't pick up as much. And this uses less energy. So hats off to the Polaris 9550.